Hello, engineers. So, this is the first video of my 100-day challenge. So, now I'm going to ahead about the modern test automation challenges. Okay. So, as you know, continuously I'm uploading video regarding the automation, rest assured, or my real experience in the interview perspective, knowledge perspective, I'm continuously uploading. Right. So now I'm covering in the 100-day challenge, Playwright automation, DevOps for QA, AI for testers, career growth, interview preparation. The goal is not just to learn tools. The goal is to become a modern QA engineer. Right. So if you are interested to learn with me, 100-day challenge, I will upload every day one video. It will be in sequential way. First, I will cover the Playwright automation. Then we will move for the DevOps for QA. Then we will move for the AI for testers or career growth or interview perspective. This is how we will move, right? So nowadays, people think automation means open a browser. So open a browser, click button, enter text, validate result. But modern test automation is much more than that. Today, QA engineer work with the UI automation, API testing, CI/CD pipeline, cloud platforms, containers, AI tools. So to be honest, so I'm writing here. See, this is the now requirement is first of all we have tell that UI automation, API testing, CI/CD, cloud platforms, container, API. But today is no longer just about the finding bugs, it's about the delivering quality fast. So why traditional automation is not enough? A few years ago, learning Selenium was enough. But now companies expect automation, API, CI/CD, Git version control like Git GitHub, Docker, cloud platforms, AI assistant testing, or agentic testing. Because software delivery is become faster every year. So I will tell you in the real industries what is going. A company release software multiple times per day across different browsers, across multiple environments. Manual testing alone can't keep up, right? So traditional automation also struggle when application change frequently. That's why modern tool and practices are become important. The rise of the playwright is gaining the popularity. I'm writing here about the playwright. Yeah. So playwright is gaining popularity because it provides faster execution, reliable locators. So this is the few things which we are going for the playwright. Faster execution, reliable locators, auto waiting. Then fourth is multiple browser support. Powerful debugging. Right. This is the few things make a automation more stable and easier to maintain. Over the coming weeks, we will learn the Playwright from the scratch. About I have given the few points so that you will understand better way why the Playwright is taking the popularity, taking the the number of the industrial accepting this Playwright. Okay, so then move to the DevOps things. Why DevOps matter for testers? Might be this question in your mind also. Right. Many testers know automation, but when asked, can you integrate your tests into Jenkins or can you run inside the Docker, they struggle. Modern Q engineer must understand Git, Jenkins, Docker, CI/CD, pipeline, because testing is now part of the software delivery pipeline. Right? Why AI changing testing? Now, next question is why AI is changing testing. AI has become a powerful assistant for testers. Today, AI can help with test case generation, automation, script creation, bug reporting, requirement analysis, test data generation. The future belongs to testers who know how to work with AI. Right? So, what is the that AI can help test case generation, automation, script generation, and bug reporting, requirement analysis, requirement analysis, and test data generation. The future belongs to testers who know how to work with AI. Right? So now come to the main point, which is you should be aware. Skills of the modern QA engineer in 2026. So already I have mentioned earlier, if you aware or you remember the keywords I have written like automation testing, like UI, API testing, Git GitHub, CI/CD, cloud basic, AI tools, communication skill, problem solving. So now in the 100-day challenge, I will go in the way. How we will go? First of all, we will go phase one, Playwright. Automation. Phase two, DevOps for testers. Phase three, AI for testers. Phase four, career growth and interviews. As such, related to interviews, already I have uploaded so many videos on my YouTube channel. You can pause that or refer that for the interview perspective. But that moment, we will create the career growth and interview perspective guides and the things. And I will tell you what we will cover later part. Career growth and interview. End of these challenges, you will complete roadmap of the become modern QA professional or the automation engineer, or I would like to say AI plus test engineer. So now technology is evolving rapidly. The tester who continuously learning will stay relevant. The tester who adopt the automation, DevOps, AI will create more opportunity for themselves. This challenge is not about the tool, it's about the transforming yourself into modern QA engineer. So it was my first video, then look and watch my second day 2 video. Thank you.